Hey guys, today I'd like to show you a compressor that I have been using lately. Let's hear what we have for this demonstration. For this demo, I have Presswerk Dynamics processor. We're gonna use it on our drum bus. I'm going to link channel 1 and 2, set it to 3 to 1. I will adjust my threshold. I will add some saturation. I will shorten my attack and increase my release a little bit. I will also disable auto makeup, and let's listen to it. Here's before. After. Try it and let me know what you think.